In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google Forms on your WordPress website. This is a simple way to collect responses, registrations, or feedback directly from a page or post on your site, while still using Google Forms to manage the answers. The key is to grab the embed code from Google Forms, then paste that code into WordPress in the right place. First, go to Google Forms and open the exact form you want to add to your website. Make sure you are viewing the form you plan to share, since the embed code is specific to that form. Next, look to the top right corner of the form editor. You will see the three-dot menu. Click those three dots to open the drop-down options. From that menu, choose the option for Embed HTML. When you select it, a small window will appear with an HTML iframe code snippet. This is what allows the form to display inside your WordPress page. Before you copy anything, take a moment to adjust the size. In that same embed window, you will be able to change the width and height values, measured in pixels. These settings control how the form fits into your website layout. A width of around 640 pixels is often a solid standard for many blog posts, but you can adjust it to match your theme. If your form looks too narrow, increase the width. If it feels too tall or too short, adjust the height so visitors can comfortably view and complete the form without awkward scrolling. Once the size looks right, go to the bottom right of the embed window and click Copy. This saves the full embed code to your clipboard. Now move over to your WordPress website. Open the page or post where you want the form to appear, and paste the embed code into the content area where you want the form to be displayed. When you preview or view the page, the Google form should load right inside your site, ready for visitors to fill out. And that is all there is to it.